Ito po ang decoration for the kindergarten naman na graduation. Okay. Look at these flowers. So, yan. Moving up. Okay. Oh. Tingnan nyo yan. Okay. So, ibaling natin dito. Ayan. Ayan yung dalawang kinder teacher. Nag-uusap at nag-uusap. Baka ano pang kulang daw. So, yan naman ang seat. Reserved place for the teachers. And, of course, this one is the photo booth.